Hello friends, so in this video, I will cover some questions that people generally ask. So first is, why do I get a quantity is less than 1 message in alert status? So this is alert status, which shows whether your alert get placed or not correctly. Here you can see where the different error comes from, so we have explained all the types of errors that occurred in the documentation section. If you go there, go to FAQs, and on the bottom side, you can see all the types of errors, and how to resolve them is also explained there. One more question generally comes, quantity is less than 1, what we should do. If you go to generate an alert, and you are placing quantity based on risk percentage, and if your risk percentage is too low, like after calculation it is less than 1, then we don't place a trade, because we don't want you to lose more money. The next question is, I created one PickMyTrade demo account and connected a Tradovate login to it, and now I am creating a new PickMyTrade demo account, can I connect the same Tradovate again? So the answer is no. If you have both your accounts as demo accounts, we don't allow you to do this kind of thing as some people may misuse it. But if you have a paid account, you can connect the same Tradovate again. The third question is, I have a paid account of PickMyTrade and I want to switch to another Tradovate, can I do that or not? So let's say you are on a first prop firm and later on you want to switch to another prop firm, and you don't want to create a new PickMyTrade, so yes, you can switch to another Tradovate. Let's say you are connected to a firm and want to connect to another firm, so just click on Tradovate Connected, and click on I agree, then it will take you to this dashboard, then you put your another Tradovate credential. So in that way, you can switch to another Tradovate account. If you have paid account, then you can switch as many times as you want. The next question comes, do I need to leave the browser open or anything? So the answer is no, this particular application runs on the cloud. You don't need to open this PickMyTrade once you configured the alert. If you want to see the status, you can log in, otherwise, it will automatically going to place trade. Even TradingView also not need to be open as both work on the cloud. By mistake what people do, they pause trading, as we have given the pause option here. So what happened, is it is not going to place a trade and shows order paused cannot place a trade. But you can resume it. The next question comes is, when I enter the URL in Webhook it shows red and nothing happens on TradingView. So let's say, you go to generate an alert and copy the Webhook URL, and you paste it into TradingView. In the notification section, in my case, it is not happening, but in the case of some users it is disappearing. So it's an issue with TradingView, but how you can solve it, you just open TradingView in incognito mode. So in this way, it's going to work. Before asking for support, firstly just check the alerts sections, what it is showing, and then check in the documentation for that issue. If you are not satisfied, then you can contact the support team. That's all for this video, thanks for watching.